Hello everyone! Today we will start with how a disk drive looks like. Here on my desk there is an enterprise class disk drive. As you see, I already unscrewed it to make it easier to open. So let's open it. Okay. So this part, this is called the bladder, where the data resides. Actually, when you read the data from the disk, that data comes from this bladder. And this is the arm with the head here. And this part, this is called the actuator. The actuator moves this head like this on the bladder, so it will position the head to the right place that the controller wants to go. Well, this is basically how it looks like, but when we look at from this side, it looks like there is only one bladder, right? So maybe I should move it a little bit to let you see. As you see here, there are 4 of them. So having multiple bladders improve the disk performance by allowing parallel read and write at a time. So which is good, right? I think this is all for this part. Then I will close this part. Okay. Then we will go with the other side. So on the other side of the drive, we have the controller unit. This is where the disk firmware resides, which means it's a small program written to access the data on the bladder, which is also controlling the arm to access the data. So it's really important part for a hard drive. Without the information on this PCB, it's not possible to access any data on the disk. In the next videos, we will talk about it in detail. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.